One tweet, one mistake, and suddenly you are cancelled. Hello, e-clubbers. Today, we will be talking about one of the most controversial buzzwords on the internet, cancel culture. Let's understand what it really means and why it's everywhere. What is cancel culture? Cancel culture is a modern term that refers to the act of publicly calling out someone, usually a celebrity, influencer, or public figure, for something offensive they said or did, and demanding consequences like boycotting their work or removing their platform. The idea is if you do something wrong, you should be held accountable. It's about calling out bad behavior and sometimes cutting ties completely. Social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube are hotspots for cancel culture. Celebrities, companies, politicians, no one is immune. Examples of cancellation include an actor losing a role after an old racist tweet resurfaces. A brand getting boycotted for an offensive ad. A YouTuber losing subscribers over past behavior. So, where did cancel culture come from? It started as a form of online activism, a way for the public to speak out against power or injustice. But now it's become a viral trend and sometimes a weapon. Why is it controversial? Supporters say cancel culture helps bring justice, especially when the legal system fails. Critics say it's just digital mob mentality. People don't get a chance to learn or grow. It's a debate between accountability and forgiveness. Here's how to use it in a sentence. The singer got cancelled after making offensive comments online. Another example, some people think cancel culture is more about punishment than progress. Words are powerful, so let's use them wisely. So, is cancel culture justice in action or just online bullying? Let us know in the comments. And if you are learning English through the world's biggest trends, like if you believe in learning from mistakes, and subscribe to eClub for powerful real world English learning.